Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about cloud virtualization. Cloud computing has become the ideal way to deliver enterprise applications and the preferred solution for companies extending their infrastructure or launching new innovations. Cloud computing is a virtualized pool of resources from raw compute power to application functionality available on demand. When customers procure cloud services, those requests using advanced automation rather than manual provisioning. The key advantage is agility, the ability to apply abstracted compute, storage, and network resources to workloads as needed. Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about cloud virtualization. Cloud computing has become the ideal way to deliver enterprise applications and the preferred solution for companies extending their infrastructure or launching new innovations. Cloud computing is a virtualized pool of resources from a raw compute power to application functionality available on demand. When customers procure cloud services, the provider fulfills those requests using advanced automation rather than manual provisioning. The key advantage is agility, the ability to apply abstracted compute, storage, and network resources to workloads as needed and tap into an abundance of pre-built services. Cloud services are some of the things that we've been talking about in the last 2 weeks. And when we decide what you want from your cloud service provider, you will have to choose what your needs are for your business. Will you need IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, FaaS, or a hybrid solution of these services? At a basic level, IaaS, public cloud providers, offer storage and compute services on a pay-per-use basis. The full array of services offered by all major public cloud providers is staggering. Highly scalable databases, virtual private networks, big data analytics, developer tools, machine learning, application monitoring, and so on. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, was the first IaaS provider and remains the leader in this service. A hybrid cloud solution might be something more what enterprise services is looking for today. A hybrid cloud is the integration of private cloud with a public cloud. At its most developed, the hybrid cloud involves creating parallel environments in which applications can move easily between private and public clouds. In other instances, databases may stay in the customer data center and integrate with public cloud applications, or virtualized data center workloads may be replicated to the cloud during times of peak demand. One of the big issues that we have is cloud computing security. A lot of people don't believe that the cloud is a secure environment. Objections to the public cloud generally begin with cloud security. Although the major public clouds have proven themselves much less susceptible to attack than the average enterprise data center, of greater concern is the integration of security policy and identity management between customers and public cloud providers. In addition, government regulation may forbid customers from allowing sensitive data off premises. Other concerns include a risk of outages and the long-term operational costs of public cloud services. Overall, the benefits of virtualization are becoming more and more of what every business wants to see. Many people compare virtualization with cloud services. However, the two are very different things, thoroughly intertwined together. They are connected in such a way that after virtualizing your data and server, you move towards integrating or uploading it to a cloud services. Technicians who have obtained cloud certification know how to transfer data from a virtual network to cloud storages in no time. The benefits of virtualization in a cloud environment are as follows. Protection from system failures. Virtualization lets you open the same work on another device. Hassle-free transfer of data. Virtualization's actual worth is when you will have to transfer data over a long distance. Firewall and security. Thorough virtualization, you get protected by a virtual switch that protects all your data and applications from harmful malware, viruses, and other cyber threats. Smoother IT operations. Virtual networks help IT professionals become efficient and agile at work. Cost-effective strategies. Virtualization is a great way to reduce operational costs. I know we've covered a lot of information and we're going to be building on that, but I hope you've enjoyed today's video.